Greetings. This is Renee Isuk with Prosperlink Tax Group, and you are watching the 2-Minute Drill. I want to talk with you briefly about one of the most powerful real estate investment tools available to taxpayers, and that is the 1031 exchange. A 1031 exchange is going to let you sell an investment property and defer capital gains taxes by reinvesting the proceeds into another like-kind property. This means you can use a 1031 exchange to grow your portfolio without paying a tax bill today. So there's several reasons when to use this strategy. The first reason, or the first scenario to use this strategy, is if you want to scale your portfolio. Say for instance you have a small rental single family home and you want to upgrade into a multi-unit facility. You can use a 1031 exchange to sell that small unit, use those proceeds to reinvest into the bigger unit, and not have to worry about any capital gains tax at the time that you sell the smaller unit. Another reason to use a 1031 exchange is if you need to reposition yourself because of economic changes. You can actually exit out of one particular market by selling the property that's in a down market and exchanging it for something that will give you a stronger showing in the current economy. Again, doing that with tax deferral, keeping your cash flow working for you. Another reason to use it, estate planning purposes. So with a 1031 exchange, you are deferring the taxable gains unto perpetuity. So you can continue to do this for the rest of your life, and then when you pass on, your heirs will inherit that property that's been deferred and exchanged, and if they wanted to sell it right away, they actually have a reset because of step up in basis rules, and they could potentially have a sale that is free from taxes. Now, when do you not want to use a 1031 exchange property or 1031 exchange strategy? Number one, if you need immediate cash flow, because anything that comes out of a 1031 exchange that's not used for reinvestment becomes taxable. So if you need immediate cash flow, I would not recommend that strategy. If you are looking to flip and sell, flipping properties, 1031 exchange is not going to help you. And then last but not least, if you are planning to use that investment property at any point in time for personal use, a 1031 exchange is not available to you, because as soon as you use that investment property for personal expenses or for personal use, you blow up the 1031 exchange and all capital gains were deferred become taxable the minute that you use that as a personal asset. So if you're thinking about ways to increase your real estate portfolio or to navigate through the changes in the economy and want to use a 1031 exchange or see if it works for you, please give me a contact. Please give me a call, send out an email. You know where to find me, and we'll have that conversation accordingly. But until next time, take care.